If you're over 50 and belly fat just won't go away, no matter how hard you try, this gentle 10-minute Tai Chi walk is for you. If you're watching this, chances are you've tried everything. You've tried walking faster. You've tried eating less. Maybe you've tried workouts that left your knees sore, your back tight, and your energy completely drained. And still, the belly fat stays. After 50, it's not that you're lazy. It's not that you lack discipline. Your body is simply responding differently now. And today, I want to show you a safer, gentler way. One that works with your body, not against it. Why is it so hard to lose belly fat after 50? Here's something most fitness programs don't tell you. After 50, belly fat is no longer just about calories. It's deeply connected to your nervous system. When your body feels rushed, unsafe, or stressed, it holds on to fat, especially around the belly. That's why high-intensity workouts often backfire after 50. They signal danger, not safety. Tai Chi Walking does the opposite. Slow movement, controlled breathing, stable balance. It sends one clear message to your body. You are safe. And when your body feels safe, it finally lets go. Introducing the exercise. In the next 10 minutes, I'll guide you through a gentle Tai Chi walk. No jumping, no squatting, no pressure on your knees. You can do this at home in a small space, even if you haven't exercised in years. Let's begin slowly. Practice. Set up and breathing. Stand comfortably, feet about shoulder width apart. Keep your knees soft, never locked. Place one hand on your belly and one hand on your chest. Now, take a slow breath in through your nose for 4 seconds. Feel the belly gently expand. Slowly breathe out through your mouth for 6 seconds. Let the shoulders relax and drop. Let's repeat this breathing 3 times together. Pause for breathing. This is the breathing we'll use for the entire 10-minute Tai Chi walking practice. There's no need to rush. Move at a pace that feels calm and comfortable for you. Basic Tai Chi walking step. Begin by gently shifting your weight onto your left foot. Take a moment to feel the ground beneath you, solid and supportive. Slowly lift your right heel, keeping your toes in light contact with the floor. There is no rush. When you're ready, place your right foot forward softly, as if stepping onto warm sand. Now, slowly transfer your weight forward. Feel how the ground supports your body with each movement. To step back, simply reverse the motion. Calm, smooth, and controlled. This practice is not about how far you step. It's about awareness and control. If at any moment you feel unsteady or unsure, slow down even more. Balance improves through patience, repetition, and gentle focus. Trust your body. With time, it learns to feel stable again. Connecting breath with movement. As you begin to move, gently connect your breath with each step. Inhale slowly as you shift your weight back. Feel the breath fill your belly and chest. Exhale gently as you step forward. Let the breath flow out naturally, without force. Imagine your body moving through warm water, smooth, slow, and supported. Nothing is rushed. Nothing is sharp. With every calm step, you're sending a powerful message to your nervous system. I am safe. This sense of safety is essential after 50. When the body feels safe, it relaxes. And when it relaxes, it begins to let go of stored tension and stored belly fat. Continue this gentle walking and breathing for about 90 seconds to 2 minutes. That's all you need here. Remember, real belly fat reduction doesn't begin with force or intensity. It begins with calm, steady repetition. Stay slow, keep breathing. Let the movement work naturally, one step at a time. Activating your core and belly fat. As you take each step, gently draw your belly inward. Not tight, not forced, just lightly supported, as if you're zipping up a comfortable jacket. This small, gentle action activates your deep core muscles. These are the muscles that support your spine, protect your lower back, and help improve posture as we age. You don't need crunches, you don't need to hold your breath, and you should never feel strain. Simply stay aware of your belly as you move. Let it stay softly engaged while you continue breathing naturally. Over time, this kind of mindful movement helps reshape the waistline, improves stability, and supports healthy fat loss, especially around the belly. Stay relaxed, stay slow. Let awareness do the work. For knee, pain, and balance, support if your knees feel sensitive or uncomfortable. Shorten your step. You don't need to step far to receive the benefits. Even a small, gentle movement is enough. If balance feels uncertain, place one hand lightly on a chair, a wall, or a countertop. This is not a weakness. It's a smart way to keep your body safe. Tai Chi is never about pushing through pain. It's about listening to your body and respecting its limits. Remember, real progress comes from consistency, not intensity. Moving slowly and safely each day is far more effective than forcing yourself and risking injury. Wherever you are today, strong or unsteady, Tai Chi meets you there. Stay relaxed, stay supported, and trust that gentle practice, done regularly, leads to lasting improvement. Real benefits after 50. Many people notice better sleep, less stress, eating, steadier balance, and gradual belly fat reduction. Not overnight, but naturally, sustainably. Cool down, slow your steps. Return to standing. One deep breath in, long breath out. Notice how your body feels. Calmer, lighter, more grounded. Final thoughts. If this felt good, do it once a day. 10 minutes is enough to change how your body responds to stress. If you want more gentle Tai Chi routines designed specifically for people over 50, subscribe to this channel. Your body doesn't need punishment. it needs safety. And from there, real change begins.